me voy con otra, vente conmigo a guarachar.
All right, Havana and RG. Well, it turns out there are a lot of hair myths out there. Blaine Schlout of Blaine's Color is here to set the record straight. Now, here's the first myth. Take a look. We got a graphic of it. This is one that my grandmother told me. If you brush your hair 100 times a day, it's good for your hair.
Hey, busted.
My
It's
grandma
not
lied to
true.
me?
Yeah, she did. Their brushes were a lot better back then, believe it or not. But nowadays the brushes are so synthetic that, and the hair's, most women's hair is chemically treated, that it does more damage than good. You're causing damage to the cuticle layer of the hair, which causes frizz and breakage.
Okay,
yes.
all right. So put the hairbrushes down, ladies. Okay, myth number 2. Let's see this one. It is plucking out every gray hair will lead to more gray hairs. I've heard this one several times.
Everyone asks me that, and that's absolutely false. Your hair grows out of a bulb, and there's only one hair strand can grow out of each bulb on your head. So if you pull a gray hair, only one's going to come back out. Otherwise, everyone would grow a thick head of gray hair and just color it.
Exactly. How about myth number 3? Split ends can be fixed with products.
Not possible.
No.
The only way to fix a split end is cutting it off. Amputation.
Got to get the scissors out
Yes,
then,
ma'am.
huh? All right. Myth number 4: home cocktails with vodka, mayonnaise. I've heard mayonnaise, beer. Good for your hair.
Yeah, this one cracks me up because
I've never heard beer.
yeah, well, people used to wash their hair with beer. Remember Body on Tap?
Really?
Yeah, and that used to be a big thing. But nowadays products are so advanced that save the mayonnaise for your sandwich and have a sandwich and a beer. And
There you go.
Use the good stuff so your hair doesn't stink.
So use something that is professionally
Exactly.
professionally produced. Okay. Myth number 5: to get really clean hair, you must lather, rinse, and repeat. So washing over and over does the trick, or no?
Absolutely not. That's a false one as well. One shampoo, unless you just ran a marathon, one good thorough shampoo is plenty. 2 is going to start fading your color faster.
Oh.
So one's all you need.
One
It's
each
just
time
to
you do
sell
it.
more
And
product.
how often should we be washing our hair? I mean, everyone's different, I'm guessing.
Every other day is usually good for most women with color treated hair, or any kind of treated hair.
Okay. All right. Next myth. I like these. Let's see here. Rinse your hair in cold water to prevent frizz and color fading. I heard this one too. Like sometimes I've been to a hairdresser where they've been like, "Oh, I'll rinse it with cold water because it's tone the frizz down." Is it true?
No, it's not. All you're getting is a cool chill, because once the cold water does close down the cuticle, but once you step out into the sun, it's going to open back up. So rinsing with cold water is doing nothing but ending your shower the bad way.
Yeah, so I should have used all that hot water while I had the chance.
That's right.
All right, and our last one here. This is something I did as a kid, lemon juice. My mom would put lemon juice in your hair. Oh, give it a little bleach color, little sun kiss look. But it's not true?
It is not true. It is effective. It does work. But lemon is an acidic product. So when you squeeze that lemon on and you sit in the sun is cooking your hair.
It's cooking your hair, so it can actually do damage to your hair.
Yes, very much damage. And then it's not going to lighten enough enough, and it's probably going to end up orange.
Probably should just head to the salon if you really want some highlights.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, we do want to let everyone know that Blaine does have a free hair and beauty event tomorrow night. It's at is it the Nilo?
The Nilo Hotel in Plano.
And there's going to be industry experts, a swimwear fashion show, cocktails, appetizers, maybe a little mayonnaise and beer while you're out there. So just go. You can RSVP on the salon's website. And you can find a link on our website. Just go to Good Day, then click on links. All the information's right there. Thank you so much, Blaine.
Thanks for having me.
Appreciate it.